Wala puntan.
Puntan là-bas.
Dia, montagne là-bas.
Il y a la montagne tout là-haut.
Là, ici, là-bas.
Oui, là-bas, il y a la montagne.
Et là-bas, ici.
Ouais, et là-haut aussi, il y a la montagne.
Et là-bas aussi.
Et t'as vu là-haut, il y a la neige sur la montagne.
Nakikita nyo yung dilaw, guys. Magiging oil yan. Kosla.
La neige,
Ay,
là-haut,
kosla.
tout là-haut, là-haut.
C'est bien. C'est bien.
Sibia, tribia. Nelia,
Et c'est ça.
c'est ça.
La neige.
La neige.
Montagne.
Yeah, montagne.
Montagne.
Anelia speak English and French.
Mix.
I'm sure when Anelia go to Philippines, she cannot understand Bisaya or Tagalog. Just English and maybe lots of kids. Oh, time giingon. Anelia didn't say anything.
But no, the kid is easy to adapt everywhere. They can understand any language.
Just action.
You know, sa Saturday night, we went to a Charisma restaurant having dinner. She saw a kid, like 10 years old, a boy. She started playing, even is older on her. Then they're talking. The boy come to me.
So babe, if we go to Charisma, maybe we see Mira, no? Because we're having also
Saturday?
Sunday.
Ah, you went Sunday? Maybe we have Saturday dinner. You went Sunday already also?
Wami na nalahos kay walay kabatangan sa sakyanan. So ni ato mi sa Rajput.
Asa man ang Rajput?
Rajput, babe, correct? Rajput.
Hello guys. We're here in Nyong, in Lake. Nyong. Welcome to my vlog, guys. We are here in
Where your
Nyong.
sunglass now? Babe, kamsa, komtasa, bigatata.
Ali, kamsa. Wala. 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 Ako na wala sunglasses. Di ko na magsuot ko ng sunglasses. Wait, laba, the kwakwang kanar. We are in Nyong, guys. It's like same view in Geneva. All in Europe, we have same view on the lake. We have a lot of boat. Ali, lama. Is your Sheila kanar? Ooh. It's spring na guys. Enjoy na yung weather. Dance di kanar, kwang kwang kwang. Anelia, attention. Kamadiritso ka sa. Hi. Anelia. It's so sunny today. Wow. Hindi ata allowed. Ella kanar. Bonjour kanar. Ella kanar. Up. Ali. Bonjour kanar. Ali, oh. Kon. Oh, don't go in the water. Ali. Just here, huh? Tick. Kuku kanar. They're not scared, Anelia. Go away. Go away, score. Ali.
Ano ba?
Oh! Si Bye-Bye. Anila. Ale, si Bye-Bye. Wala na, Basie.
Bakit ko eh? Ata na.
Ala. Take picture. Ali, picture. Op, op, op. Masing tungtung po siya. No, you're not. Okay. Tito Manuel, hold you. Wala. Ah, tuwara lagi. Na.
Dani.
Happy ni. Bye-bye. Bye-bye ka na.
Si Pati.
Wait.
Hello guys.
Hello, guys.
Kapoy na mong lawas guys.
We're going to Chateau.
Puri namin ang katawan guys. At yatin namin ang chateau. Oh,
Ali, go. We're going up. Ali. Ali, Tita Rachel. Ali, Anilia.
Bravo, Anilia.
We go to the Chateau. Nyong the Chateau.
Kapoy yun yung...
But here is the overlooking, guys.
Yes, it's here, look.
Voila. Wait, it's overlooking. We are here in Nyong, Switzerland. Ipitit.
Can see? Ato.
It's nice. It's overlooking the view.
Oh. Kita ni mong garden.
Kaya nga, see? It's overlooking.
Hindi ate.
Hanggang
This is not ours.
hanggang tingin lang.
Hanggang tingin lang tayo guys.
Anilia, atang.
Anilia,
Anilia.
it's not tired, ha? Babe,
She's the-
papasige.
She sleep well. She sleep well tonight.
Babe, she do like this. Chuk.
She enjoy really today.
Yuppie.
Anilia.
It's okay.
She enjoy. Gipag-live po na Rachel. Di ako mag-video ko. Anila, isi.
You see, babe? This is a castle. And you see the castle in front? This is not a castle, it's a house.
It's a house?
And then,
I go and chateau in
the king.
Oh, so this is the front. he's really enjoyed today. Alibia, isi mo na mo. Isi mo na mo. What's that, si Kasa? Eshatu. 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 I'm coming. Beat. Welcome. It's Nyong, Le Chateau de Nyong. C'est ça. Le Chateau de Nyong. Wow. Wow. Is the guard. Cuckoo guard. Ano yung ating chung? Wow, it's overlooking. Yeah, from here you can see the view. See, you can see the view around. Yeah. It's overlooking. No, but okay, this song, ale. This is the chateau, guys. And this is the view on the top. You can see the lake. Oh la la, it's so nice.
Muna bisita sa chateau, nag-inasara.
Anila, where you're going?
It's okay.
Anelia? Attention, ha? Voilà. Oops. Attention. You need to hold. Yeah, okay, you need to hold.
Di mana kuan?
It's not telescope.
I see you.
Yes, yeah.
Jika si mahugit.
Hindi, gulitan man. Yeah, I see lah. Take picture. Ano po to?
Hello.
Lagi siya sobrang excited niya. Huh? What me? Big? Padisong, bibig.
Ah, it's too big for you? Okay. Okay.
Yan, lingawa. Oh! Nobody heard.
Attention, doucement.
Enough na. Pini.
Juste t'en vois pas, tu peux...
Ali na. You don't want to carry.
She's
You
scared,
don't
babe.
want
Don't push her. She's scared.
Take my hand.
Don't be